family, back again. In the place, in your face. That boy can cook, y'all. And today we doing something new for me. So maybe you can try it with me. We're gonna learn this recipe together. Today we're doing chicken fajita egg rolls. Sounds good. It's gonna be good. Don't forget, family, like, comment, subscribe so that boy can cook, y'all. Make sure you share it. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Let's get to this chicken fajita egg rolls. Yeah. All right, everyone. This is what we need right here for our chicken fajita egg rolls. I'm not gonna go over the measurements for everything. I'll have it in the description for you guys. So this is it right here. We have sharp cheddar, we have chicken, we have chili powder, oil, cooking oil, garlic powder, onion powder, sea salt, cumin, cayenne pepper, and paprika, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 yellow onion, and of course, our egg roll wraps. Yeah, let's get to it, family. First, let's get our chicken cut down. And I'm just using chicken tenders. Actually, it was cheaper, so that's why I'm using them. You don't want to cut them too thick because you want to make sure that they're going to fit in your egg roll. Just cut them as such, and there we go. All right. This is the size that we're looking for, a little bit smaller than bite sizes. And you have to remember they're going to shrink as you're cooking them, so you don't want them too small, but you don't want them too big for your egg rolls. All right, let's get our veggies cut. All right, now for our veggies, let's just take about a half of our bell pepper here. There we go. Now let's add a bit more, something like a dice. And this is what we're looking like right here. Such. All right. As such, people, just like this. This is going to be almost the hardest part of the recipe. There we go. Let's get this last thing cut. Let's get our onion. So we're going to score it halfway. And we're just going to there's our dice. So as you can see, everybody, we have our veggies cut like such. There we go. Alrighty. Let's move on down the road. Let's mix all of our dry ingredients for our seasonings. I don't have a bowl, so we're just gonna throw it in the measuring cup. Let's get everything mixed together. Alrighty. And we're just gonna take us a spoon and let's just get it mixed together. Now let's get our oil in the skillet. There we go. We're not deep frying it, so you just wanna coat the bottom of your pan. Oh, it's time for me to reseason my cast iron, y'all. Make a video. Now let's get our chicken seasoned real quick, y'all. And we're just gonna give it a nice little, there we go. Okay. Just give it a mix, y'all. Just like so. And any leftover seasoning you can save it for next time. There we go. Have our chicken seasoned. Our skillet is heating. Let's get this chicken in there, y'all. The pan is starting to smoke. There we go. It's ready. It's ready. Alright. I'm just gonna get this sauteed and taken care of real quick. There we go. Just going to continue to cook it for maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Let's do 3 to 4 minutes. Because we're not cooking it all the way. We want to cook it maybe 90%, 85 to 90% before we add our veggies in. So, we're almost there. Alright, chicken is cooked where we need it to be. So now let's hit it with the veggies. Let's just get them all in here. With the veggies. And we're going to give this a mix and we're going to hit it with a little bit more of our seasoning. There we go. Alright. Take some of that seasoning for the veggies. There we go. Alright everyone, as you can see, everything is mixed together, smelling great, looking great. So we're just going to let our veggies continue to cook and get tender. As you can see, look at all the water. That's coming from your bell peppers. So you want to make sure before you roll your egg rolls that it is dry as possible. Because once it starts to fry, it will break, it will release, release more water, and it will make your egg rolls soggy. Alrighty, so let's let this cook down and let's make sure our veggies get tender to where we like them. Alright everyone, as you can see, our fajita meat mix is done. Alright everyone, let's get this out of our pan and drain so we can. That's what we're looking like, y'all. That's what we're looking like. Alright everyone, as you can, well you can't see, but our meat is cool and ready to be egg roll wrapped. Let's get, and I'm just using a regular tablespoon. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons in the center. And you're gonna want to, I turn mine in a diamond shape, as you can see. Let's do 1 more teaspoon. Let's go with 3, 2.5 to 3 tablespoons. Okay. Then we're gonna hit it with some of our sharp cheddar. There we go. And as you can see to my right, I have 1 beaten egg that's like my egg wash. So this is how we fold our egg rolls. You just bring the 2 ends, take the bottom, make sure your ends stay in there now. Alrighty. And you just roll it. Just as such. Get that cheese out of there. sometimes you might want to tuck your ends. Alright. Let's see what you can see. Let's get some of our egg wash. Just put a little on your finger there. That way it'll stick. And there's our egg roll. Alright, we're going to do one more egg roll so everybody got it. How to roll our egg rolls. Like I say, we're using 3 tablespoons of our chicken fajitas. There we go. Alright. Get some more of that cheese. Maybe about a teaspoon and a half. Alright, so once again, let's go in the middle, fold our ends, and we're just going to go over with it as such. Get our egg wash, hit the edge, and just roll like that. If you want, you can tuck the ends. Second egg roll, y'all. All right, everyone, as you can see, our egg rolls are rolled. So now we're about to heat our oil. Let's drop them in the oil. There we go. Our grease is hot enough. We can throw 3 in there. We have enough room. There we go. Take long at all to cook. So we're going to cook it about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it look like that right there. Or until it look like that right there. It can be a little bit darker. There we go. All right, now let's get them out of here. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Cook one. With the grease drain a tad bit. There we go. Alright. We're going to get our last 2 in the oil. And we'll be back with the finished product, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Let's bust one over there. Let's bust one over there. Look at that. Yes. There we is, y'all. All right, everyone. All said and done. Chicken fajita egg rolls are done. Look at that. Let's get the inside look. Look at that. There we go. Egg rolls. Chicken fajita. Flavorful, crispy, delicious. Salsa. Don't forget, family, like, comment, subscribe. That boy can cook now. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Out the place, out the face, the boy can cook.